Alright guys, time to look at Manta Network here once again on the channel. Now, I did draw this possible cup and handle scenario, I don't know how many days ago, but I think it was at least a week ago when we looked at Manta last time. Now, this is forming a possible cup and handle. You can see that this is following pretty closely, and we just have to wait and see. Now, if we were to shoot straight up like this, it wouldn't be a cup and handle, of course. The more rounded this cup and handle is, the better. But yeah, the next resistance, though, for Manta is up at about $1.78. And, it's possible we could ride up to $1.78 very quickly. We are breaking this area. Let me zoom in so you can see it a little bit better. We are breaking the area that we've been in since middle of June, guys. So nice to see that we're taking out all of this, trading, for the last, like 5 months, guys. So yeah, next resistance basically up at $1.78 or so. Once we get above that, it's $2.61. And then, guys, basically, we're up here in the upper half of the trading, and we only spent a couple months up here, so I think the majority of the volume will have been taken out. Now, taking a look at the tokenomics of Manta Network, guys, there's 1 billion tokens. About 38.5% of that is out right now, according to CoinGecko. Now, the all-time high for this was about $4.05. All-time low, 56 cents, though. So basically, it did crash down quite a bit because it's a new token, guys. This is from the Binance launch pool, basically. I know it launched there. I sold it, way up around maybe, I think, $3. And I picked it up, guys, I think at about $1.70. So yeah, I'm still underwater a little bit with this one, personally, but I do trust that this is a good coin, guys. Now, taking a quick look at tokenomics, like I said, like 38% is unlocked. There is an upcoming event in 2 days. Basically, about 0.5% of the circulating supply will be released. But guys, that's not a very big number. I really wouldn't worry about it so much. Now, taking a look at Bitcoin here on the 4-hour chart, guys, it does need to break this little resistance here. So far, we've been pretty much rejected here since 22nd November. So for almost a week now, we've gotten a rejection here. We did have one 4-hourly candle close above it, but quickly got rejected back down, all the way down to about, 90,700, 800. So since then, we've gotten a big bounce, but we are coming back down. And yeah, we need to break this, and that would be about $96,500 if we break this, resistance. So hopefully, by tomorrow we can get a bounce. There is a half day of trading on NASDAQ and S&P and things. So yeah, we need to see what happens tomorrow. Might not be too much volume tomorrow, but basically today was Thanksgiving, so there was no volume basically. And probably I would say the same is true with Bitcoin, probably less volume today than usual. But yeah, guys. Speaking of volume, I just wanted to take a look at that just to make sure my theory was true. But yes, there was quite a bit less volume today than yesterday and the day before that. Probably people even took off early Wednesday, and that's probably why you see less trading. But anyways, yeah, that the volume is definitely low for today. Let's see what it looks like tomorrow. Although there is still a few hours in the candle today, I don't think it's going to surpass the 27th. So yeah, guys. All right, now taking a quick look at the total crypto market cap, guys. We are getting rejected once again here at this little local resistance here. That stands at about 3.28 trillion, guys. For the last week, it looks like we have 6 rejections. Probably today will be a rejection. So we really need to start closing daily candles above this, and that would signal probably some continuation here. We do have some support down at 3 trillion, but hopefully we don't, pull back that much. Now, I do believe tomorrow, we're probably going to see a little bit of upside. Today was probably a low trading day because of Thanksgiving in America. Tomorrow, though, is cut short by several hours, in like the NASDAQ and things like this. So keep in mind, tomorrow is basically a half day of trading in America. I don't know how that'll affect Bitcoin, but I'm sure it will. Now, taking a quick look at the total market cap excluding Bitcoin, it also is getting a little bit of a pullback. Now, remember, this line is the target that we're looking for out of this channel. So, where it was consolidating for months and months and months. So right now, getting a little bit of red candle. But yesterday we did seal a green candle above this resistance of what we had for basically like 4 of the previous days before yesterday. And today we kind of have retested that. So that's kind of nice to see. So maybe tomorrow, like I said, when we get some more trading, I think, we'll probably continue up, guys. So taking a look at the Bitcoin dominance, today it is getting a slight green candle down here, guys. But you can see it did get rejected here. Let me make this a little bit bigger so you can see it a little bit better. But yeah, it did get rejected. So this line is, proving to be resistance, which is good for us. Now there is support down here at about 58, 0.09%. If we can break through this support, the next support for, the dominance is down here at 57.55. So let's see, guys. Altcoins didn't really suffer that much today. I'm glad to, see that. But yeah, we did, get a slight candle here, green candle. So I'm taking a quick look at altcoin season index here. We are at 63. I just refreshed this right before the video. It was 61. So we are inching our way up, guys. Like I said in previous videos, basically once we got across this, mark here, which is about 50, I told you guys we were going to fly very quick. So that's what we're doing right now. We're almost officially in altcoin season. In my opinion, that's going to come very, very soon. Maybe even by December, which is only a few days, guys. I mean, that could really come quickly. You can see we went from a 33 just on the 21st of November all the way up to 63, and that's only a week, guys. So we only need a few more points here, basically 12 more points on the index, and we're in altcoin season officially. So yeah, I mean, it could come in the next few days. Maybe when Bitcoin is a little bit boring on the weekend, maybe altcoins will pump again. So yeah, we just have to wait and see. One thing I'm not really happy to see is that we did tick back up on the fear and greed. Yesterday we were 75, guys, so I still would like this to cool off a little bit more, to get under 70, maybe 60 to 70. I think that would be kind of a safe range. But the good thing is we're not in the 90s anymore. So now the FedWatch tool says that 2/3 still expect a quarter-point cut. Today, earlier, this was at 70, so I'm not really sure what happened today to make it tick back down. But anyways, 33% believe in no cut. But, we only have, about 3 weeks from now. So it's getting closer, guys. I do personally believe we're going to get a quarter-point cut myself, though. Now, taking a quick look at crypto bubbles, guys. Most projects are in the red tonight. But, a few projects like FET, ENS, Virtual, IMX, Render, things like this are in the green. But, from this point yesterday, yeah, we might be slightly down. But my altcoin bag is actually pretty high. My portfolio, basically, it's entirely alts. And it's doing pretty good tonight. So, some of these are like 8% down. But most of these are only a couple percent down. I would say that's probably the average, 1-2%. So yeah, we're not suffering that bad, guys. I think alts are doing fine. Now, if you want to stake your coins, basically you can go to Coinondo, type in whatever coin. This is Bitcoin, just to show you as an example. But they give you a bunch of exchanges, and you can choose what you want. Just be careful, guys. Make sure you look at the time that you have to stake, look at the limit and things like this. You can update up here how many coins you have, and it'll give you, the amount that you should get per day. So yeah, I mean, it's a really good tool. I do use this quite a bit, and I do move coins around quite often, for staking reasons. So anyways, guys, yeah, if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.